Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. We're going to take up the Ailerons RC P-51 Mustang. Going to have a little bit of fun with her. All right. And previously I had the GoPro 12 and started looking at it and watching the footage, and I realized, you know, really, it's no better than the footage on my GoPro 8. Not really, so I sent it back. So we're just going to continue on with my GoPro 8. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right, let's get it turned around. A little windy today, but at least the wind is out of the east. So get on our center line here. All right, here we go.
Gear up.
Running her in a 4S today. A 4S 2200. Pushed all the way forward. Yeah, you're right. She's not sounding too good.
Gear down.
Oh, lander. All right, let me see what's going on. Give me a second. Don't pause. Just.
Prop secured. Motor on.
She's fine. She had a little kink in. I don't know. She's okay. She sounds good now. All right. Right, left.
Gear up. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Good flying bird. I'm running a stabilized Gen 2 Lemon RX, and all it has is stabilizer. It doesn't have self level. It only has just the wind gyro. All right.
Gear down.
But just a good solid warbird. And 1100 millimeter wingspan, non-intimidating. She flies equally well on 4S as she does on a 3S. And something else she's got that's really, really cool. Let me just show you real quick. And for a tail dragger, she's pretty good ground handling. All right.
Braking.
Yes, that's right, folks. She has reverse. All right. You gotta stay on that rudder. All right, we're gonna take her up. I'm gonna bring her a nice fast pass, but into the wind. All right, we're going to turn back around to the right. Turn back towards us. And this is going to be full speed.
Gear down.
All right, come by us. Got the okay. Make sure the gear is down. Gonna come back towards us now. Okay. You lost her. All right. All right. I don't know what was going on earlier. There must have been some sand or a piece of grass that gotten up in there and worked itself loose, because she sounds fine now. Which that happens quite often on this field. There we go. All right, we can do one more takeoff and landing. I'm not really going to do the full 5 minutes. Just look how good looking that bird is. Such a good looking plane. All right.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Got to pay attention to your, gonna leave the gear down. You got to pay attention to that rudder. Wait for that to stay on the rudder when you're taking off. And then as soon as that tail gets up off the ground, start a little bit of pressure, a little bit of back pressure, and let her lift off. Whoa, a little too much of a bounce. Let's see if we can't improve upon that landing. Oh boy, that wind's kicking up. All right. Do not need flaps today. Can't even get her to turn around here. There we go. And really, reverse with these little birds like this is more just for show, because
Braking.
they slow down just fine.
Brakes off.
All right.
Prop secure.
Well, let's go out here and see how much life we have left in the battery. Up, up. Did once again. All right, pause the video for me.
Recording.
All right, folks, just so you know, I'm running a 4S in the plane, and the manufacturer says 3S and not 4S, but that ESC is 91 degrees. Yeah, I'm able to leave my finger on it. So if the 4S was too much for it, the ESC would be cooking right now. Let's take a look and see how much is left. Still got 58%. And I flew for basically 4 minutes. So you could probably get on 2200 4S, you could just about get a good 6 minutes with fixed flying. To show you my setup, I got the Admiral 2200 4S shoved all the way forward. Now, when you get these brick style batteries, okay, that's the only kind you're going to be able to fit in there, and that's the 2200 Admiral. Okay, you can't put Velcro or anything like that on. The battery is as big that you're going to be able to fit in there for a 4S, a little warm, and it's got to slide down in that pocket. Now it's going to slide down in there, and you really have to physically shove it down in there, but don't worry about it sliding back, because the front of that battery hatch or canopy will hold that battery in spot. And that's the only place you can put a battery, and it's those 2200 style bricks, 3S or 4S, that fit in there. So CG is right there no matter what. And I know the gear's down, but she's still perfect right there. All right, folks. Well, there you go. That is the Ailerons RC P-51 on a windy day. Flew with the tanks on. She can handle it. She can really handle it. You put yourself a stability receiver that has the wind mitigation in there. Don't be afraid of wind like this. It'll make this light little plane fly like a bigger, heavier one. So that's what you're looking for. That's the reason for the wind mitigation and a wind or an AS3X style wind mitigation gyro. It helps stability of a small, light little craft in the wind. All right, folks. Shout out to Hobby Zone for sending this Mustang out for review. God bless each and every one of my viewers and Hobby Zone. And thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, them P-51 Mustangs. Bye-bye.